Hey guys, it's your girl Dymes Unique, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how I bleach my knots of my closure. I'm going to start by moving my hair back, so when I do apply the bleach, it doesn't color the actual hair and just only the knots. Next, I'm going to mix my 20 volume developer with my BW2 activating powder. After stirring, you're going to see me add some more of my 20 volume developer because the consistency was too thick and I didn't want it that thick, and then I made it too loose, so I had to add more powder. You're then going to see me check the consistency of my mixture, and I'm going to add a little more bleach because I want it thick so it doesn't bleed through. I'm then going to start to apply the bleach to my closure lightly, once again so that the product doesn't bleed through and bleach my hair and only the knots. After I finish applying the bleach, the aluminum foil I have under the hair, I'm going to flip the closure onto it and close it off and set a timer for about 20 minutes. Then I'm going to just take the closure and rinse all of the bleach off to make sure it's not processing anymore. After I remove all of the bleach off the closure, I'm going to take my Shimmering Lights Purple Shampoo, and I'm going to just shampoo the closure. Actually, I'm going to shampoo the entire closure, the hair included, not just the lace part. And the Shimmering Light shampoo is good for blonde hair. It gets rid of like the brassy tone, and it's also good on silver dyed hair. Then I'm going to do something called the hand test, just to see if I lay the lace on my hand, it will look like my scalp. And that's how I bleach my lace closure. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know what you guys want to see in the next video.
Baby, you could never buy no better. Ooh, you're gonna pay for this forever.